In this video, we'll show you how to use Samsung DeX on your Windows PC or laptop wirelessly. So to do this, first on your Windows PC, open the Settings app. Now go to the System tab right here. Now scroll all the way down and then click on Optional Features. Now here click on this View Features button. Now in the search box, you need to type in wireless display. Now you should see this result. Simply tick this checkbox. Now if the feature is not installed, you will see the option to install it, but I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm getting this remove option, so I don't need to do anything. Now go back to the System tab again, scroll down and then select this projecting to this PC option. Now here you will need to first check the settings. So first use this drop down menu and then select available everywhere. Now set this option to first time only and then set the require pin to never. Additionally, also turn off this toggle. Once you have done this, simply click on this launch the wireless display app option on your Windows PC. So you will see this particular screen. Now grab your Samsung Galaxy phone, head to the settings app, tap on connected devices. Now here you will need to tap on Samsung DeX. Now here you will see this connect wirelessly option. Simply select that. Now make sure your PC and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they are, you will see this option to connect and start the Samsung DeX wirelessly. Simply select start now and your Windows PC should now show a screen like this. You can then interact with the Samsung DeX using your phone. So you can open the quick settings panel and then tap on this touchpad option to use your phone screen as a touchpad. Additionally, you can also connect your Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your phone and then use them to interact with the Samsung DeX. So this is how you can use Samsung DeX wirelessly. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.